Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier X6 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth or they are not pairing with your phone or other device, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if just for whatever reason you want to clear the pairing history and delete all of the previously paired devices so that you can set these earbuds up like they're a brand new set of earbuds coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. We just need to put the earbuds in the case, leave the lid open, come around to the back of the case and find the button in the middle of the back of the case, the pairing button, and we're just going to press and hold it for 12 seconds until the red light flashes rapidly 6 times. At which point we can release it, and then we can go through the normal pairing procedure to set them up as a new set of earbuds.